answering the door. I'm streaming.
Chairbugs, CEO Bowler status.
I'm not answering the door.
CEO Chairbugs.
I'm streaming.
Chairbugs, Bowler status.
I'm not answering the door.
Praise Cobra's magic.
I'm streaming.
Chairbugs, CEO Bowler status.
Paid for it, fucking leave it at the
CEO
door.
Chairbugs.
Fucking I'm streaming.
Chairbugs, Bowler status.
Paid for it, fucking leave it at the door.
Cobra's magic.
Fucking I'm streaming.
But, you know, you make enough money to get by, and that's outside of everything else, that's all right. Like Cobra, me and my buddy so-and-so watch your videos. Oh, son of a bitch. Did I knock off Salazar? I'm the lizard. One second. Come here, Salazar. That's my boy. Come here, Salazar. I'm sorry, gorgeous. Did I knock you off the chair? I'm sorry. Someone sent me a stuffed cobra, and I love him equally as much as I love Garfield. But come on, dude, it's black and green. It's a monocled cobra, which I love monocled cobras or Indian cobras, whatever. I love cobras in general. Okay, look at that. Put Salazar on my lap. You know what I'm saying? That's why I like YouTube channels like Chandler's Wildlife. I can live vicariously through being like, what would it be like to have a king cobra or a monocled cobra, you know, or an Indian cobra or whatever. And it's just like, well, now you don't have to worry because there were YouTubers. There we go. There we go. That's fine. Leave it the way it is. My YouTube fans are like, Cobra, we know, you know, and then I got this little itty bitty orange one with the same graphics, but like it's a different color and a smaller size. This is Garfield. Okay, I named this one Garfield. And then I named this one Salazar. Because I'm a huge Harry Potter nerd. And I'm like, there you go. And then I just leave it at that.